Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix cannot install app on Play Store. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Firstly, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, first of all, open your mobile phone setting and open your mobile phone apps and tap on search bar and search Google Play service. Now tap on open, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and go back. Now tap on permission and all permission turn on and go back. So guys, you need to open Play Store. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on setting, tap on general, tap on account and device preference. Tap on clear device search history, tap on clear history, tap on clear wish list, tap on clear and go back. Again tap on profile icon, tap on setting, tap on network preference. Now tap on app download preference, select ask me every time. Okay, tap on auto play video, tap on auto play video over Wi-Fi only, tap on OK and download any app. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.